Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can create a t-shirt design like this and like this using your smartphone. So everything we're going to do today, you're going to be able to do it on your phone. It's about time. Let's design. So the app we're going to be using to design is Canva. The reason why Canva is the best is because it gives you like free elements to use. You don't have to go to Chrome or to your browser to start searching for elements to use or and all that. So you have free elements of Canva. So everything you're going to be doing, you're going to be getting it from Canva. So guys, let's continue. Now we need an element for our design, a free element. So we are not going to draw. We're going to actually get elements from Canva. So we go over to elements, search for what we're looking for, like manga hearts, and here's the arts, the one I'm going to use for this video. So I'm trying to like fit it, resize it, so it actually fits perfectly. I think it's okay like this. It's perfect. So now we can just download this and put on the shades, but it's actually looking plain and it's not looking actually interesting. So we're going to add some things to it. I think a lightning will do. Let's search for lightning. I think lightning will do. Just around the eyes, just to make it look unique. Add some spark to it. Let's try that. So I think this is okay, but this is like for girl stuff, so I think girls like something pinkish. I think the pink color will go well. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to add like a glow to the eye, like to match it, more like changing the color of the eye. Black is looking like it's looking too no, it's not looking interesting. So I'm trying to make it interesting as much as I can. Guys, I'm done. I actually downloaded it as a transparent PNG, and I'm actually putting it on markup, the free markup on Canva. So you can actually do this, take this out of Canva and put it on other markup. You can take it to what's this sites? The sites you can actually get free markup from, and to this is looking a bit small, so we're going to actually do this manually. Okay, let me show you guys. So So this is like a frame mock-up from the elements. I'm just gonna place it to showcase how design is going to be on clothes. So that's it. So guys, if you learned something, kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll be actually posting more video on how you can actually do stuff on your phone. Thank you.